Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to recover your Trust Wallet private key. It's easy to get your private key from your Trust Wallet account. All you need to do is simply open up your Trust Wallet. So once you've opened up your Trust Wallet, in order to get your private key or find your private key, you would need to head over to the icon on the top left. Click on the wallet option here, click on wallet, and then where we have main wallet 4, the three dotted icon at the top right, click on this three dotted icon, select the manual, that's get your secret phrase back up manually, click on manual, enter your passcode, and then you'd find the recovery phrase, that's the secret phrase for your account. So in order to get your private key, you're going to need to copy your recovery phrase. And you do need to know that the only way you can get your private key is from your secret recovery phrase. So once you've gotten your secret recovery phrase from the wallet, you could simply use the link in the description of the video to learn how to get your private keys from your recovery phrase. It's quite easy to do this. Make sure you watch the video, which is going to be in the link in the description. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how you can recover your Trust Wallet private key, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.